In front of me is TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting two apps you wish to use in this view and launching both in the background. In my case, Play Store and maybe Chrome. Then access background apps and click on the icon of an app you wish to use on the right side of your screen. When you see this pop-up, select split screen and tap on this second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To resize your apps, you can hold this white line in the middle and drag them. If you want to go back from this view, you can either go back to background apps and swipe both, or you can also just hold the same line and drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left. Then tap on Home button to close the one that's left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!